Jewelry is like the perfect spice that adds beauty to a woman. Welcome everyone to the Queen of Fashion. Today we bring another new Peacock Combo set which includes bracelet, pendant and earrings. Then we show you 5 sets of earrings and then we have a very cute collection of earrings and beautiful chokers. We hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. For any queries or communication, you can also visit our Facebook page, The Queen of Fashion. The link is provided in the description. Thank you and see you soon.